Hey, Super Seal Roofing. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing agency located out here in Chicago. I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you in a decent amount of time so you can learn some nifty tips and tricks on how to edge out your competition in the Chicago roofing space. So before we get started, I don't want to waste your time with this, of course, and I don't want to waste mine. So if by the end of this video you've gained some value and learned some things and see that I have some knowledge in this space, feel free to reach back out and we can chat. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. I just want to make sure that you can gain some value by the end of this video. So I'm going to go over three things super quick, very impactful things. These things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. Content's going to be everything on this page, your home page, essentially. Your home page is going to be the page that 9 times out of 10 ranks, and so you want to make sure that it has the proper amount of content on it and it's done well. So when it comes to content, that's going to be the written words right here, all the images you have on your page, and the images behind everything else. The images behind everything else, as long as it is relevant to your site and your industry, is going to be a big part in the ranking for Google. The images, like pictures like this, of course, whatever they're saved as is also going to help with rankings. And so if they're saved as keywords, high-ranking keywords especially, that's going to help out a lot when it comes to ranking it in Google's eyes. And then when it comes to the actual words of content that you have going on here, when it comes to my clients, I don't do less than 1,500 words of clients per homepage. It does sound a little wordy, and you guys have a decent amount, but I mean, I would still do more content. The reason why you want it to be so wordy is because you want to pack in as many keywords as possible without it just being keyword. You want it to have a flow to it. You want it to seem organic. You want it to seem natural. And that's how you're going to get the algorithm to rank you up a lot higher. So let's move on to citations. Oh, also, fun fact. So when it comes to the ads, right? So everyone is used to Google ads. They've been around for a very long time. And because they've been around for a very long time, a lot of people don't have the best relationships with Google ads anymore. So a lot of people have ad blocks on their browsers. And so a lot of my past clients have wanted to run Google ads, and we have, and some I've suggested not to, just because there's a good chance you're going to miss out on a big part of the market because of the Google ad blocks that people have on their browsers nowadays. So something just to keep in mind, just to throw out there for you. And so let's go to citations. And so what is a citation? A citation is your business name. So like right here, Roofing by Hernandez, your business name, your business location. So I'm sure they have their address in here somewhere. And then like this, the business phone number. So the name, location, and phone number, that is one citation. And the more directories that you have citations in are going to help you rank a lot higher, especially in the map pack area, but also in the organic listing area. And if you're wondering what a directory is, that's going to be like BBB, Yelp, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, just a site for businesses to put their business so they can promote themselves essentially. And so let's go into this tool right here. This is whitespark.ca. It's a paid tool, and you can pretty much use it as just like a citation finder. And so what I did here, this is you guys' website. As you can see, you have 8 citations in here. This is Matthews Roofing, and as you can see right here, Matthews Roofing is top 3 in the organic listings. They're getting quite a bit of foot traffic, and they have 49 citations. And so what you could do, an option, so you could get Whitespark, right, and you could go into Matthews Roofing's citations, and you could see every place that they have citations in, all like the authorities on this side that the citations deliver, and you could just submit yourself to all of these places to have their same citations, right? Doing the same thing they do and do it maybe a couple other places would help you rank a lot higher. And so let's go into the last point. This is going to be for backlinks. And so this is another paid tool. It's called Ahrefs. I pay around $400 a month for my team and myself. And with this, you can look up keywords, you can look up backlinks, you can look up domain dominance, all that good stuff. And so as you can see, this is your site in here that I've uploaded in here. UR and DR, these two things, this is going to be your URL dominance and your URL trustworthiness in Google's eyes, which definitely does play a part in ranking your site. And so We're going to stick around here for right now, though. So with the referring domains, so actually, let me back up one more second. I'm going a little bit fast. So what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to another site or from a site to your site. And so it's going to be like if there's like a forum, like a blog post, a guest post, something like that, where someone is talking about roofers and they shout out your business and they link your business on that site, that would be one backlink. And the more backlinks you have, the greater your business is going to rank in Google's eyes, right? And so you have 135 domains giving you 420 backlinks. You also have 191 keywords, which is good. But that is all only giving you 41 clicks of organic traffic per month. And so let's go into Matthews Roofing, who I also uploaded in here. They have 201 referring domains, which is pretty close to your 135, but they have 133, 1,000.33, backlinks, which is giving them 1,800 clicks a month of organic traffic, which is pretty insane for the Chicago roofing space, right? So one of the things you could do is you could go into their keywords right here, and you could take all their keywords and pretty much add it to your keywords. They have a good, 1,800, almost, let's say like 1,700 more keywords than you guys have, and add that all to your site. That would help you rank up a lot higher. You could also go into their backlinks, and actually let's do that right now. You can go into their backlinks. You can see every site, this soldhouse.com, Yellow Pages, dmb.com, Crunchbase. You can go into all these different forums, these different pages, these different directories, whatever they may be, and you can submit yourself, see how they got their backlinks, and do the exact same thing. Obviously, they have quite a few. They have over 1,000, so it might take a little bit of time, but that would be an option as well for you guys to use to rank a lot higher. So before this video gets way too long, I'm gonna end it right here. Again, my name is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. Thank you again for reaching out with your interest. As I said in the beginning of the video, if you found that this video is valuable and you see that I have some knowledge in the space and would like to work with us, let's chat. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night.